Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. S divided by S, we have number 1. So we have y over s, y over s, they are degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of v, we have dv over ds multiplied by s. First, the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v. Because this is about the product rule of the derivative. About y, we change vs. This one we change by this one. So s divided by s, we have number 1, so we have v. This one we have v. V and v we cancel. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one, that is about secant of v minus 1 dv. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of v minus 1 plus tan of v minus 1. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.